In this video, I want to address a way that you can make your PC run much faster, or your desktop. And the issue could be temporary files that are downloaded via the internet for various reasons. So go to your PC, click on Windows R. Then the box that appears, type in %temp%, and then click on enter. And then once you do that, you're going to see the temporary files that have been downloaded on your PC. Just click on delete, highlight all of them. Just click on highlight all of them, either using Control A and click delete. And then there might be files which are currently in use. That's why it's going to tell you skip or try again or cancel. Just click on skip and then let it just go skipping until it's done deleting every other file that is not needed on the PC. And then once you're done doing that, you just go straight to your recycle bin, highlight all the files that you see appearing on the recycle bin, then click delete. And in that way, it creates a whole new space on your PC, hence the functionality improves. Remember to subscribe to this video if you haven't, give it a thumbs, and remember to share widely.